a big mixing bowl. Once you add it to a big mixing bowl, then you're going to add in more sugar to make it more of a scrubby instead of more of a water-based scrub. Then you're going to end up mixing that all together. But if it still feel a little bit watery, you can also add more sugar. All it is just sugar based, so all you gotta need is add more sugar and just keep mixing it up until it's feel more of a scrub. And once you got the scrub base down, then you're gonna mix it up into separate jars. But for me, or for you guys actually, if you guys are not going to be making a big batch, you can break it up into small jars and actually try this yourself, like add like different types of oils that you came out of the shower, it felt like our skin was rejuvenated. But also for this scrub, this is going to be like a scrub for when you use at the daytime and morning when you need some energy, because every time I put scrub in, month ago, and it's still like holding up. It's still holding up like a month ago, and I'm like, this is the bomb. So you guys definitely, if you guys gonna be doing this, make sure you guys label it and also date it from the time you made it, so you guys know that however long it's gonna last. Like, I have the coconut oil in my hand, and it's still, you smell the coconut oil from it, and you can still smell a little of the mintiness, but the grapeseed oil one, yeah, you can still see that, and like, you don't really have a smell to it. But the jojoba oil, I don't got no more of that one, because that one was like the bomb. Actually, my mom took it, so she's gonna have a good time with that. But I have the other batch. I have the other 2 batches, and also still have like the mixture of the original one. So yeah, definitely try this out. Now here you're gonna see the scrubs in action, and how it's like actually you apply it to your skin, and also how it actually smooths, and see what it does to your skin. So for me, I'm using the what was I using? Oh, I was using the coconut oil first. Wait, no. What was I doing? Oh, this was when I was trying the basic my first batch that I didn't add no oils to it, scrub. And actually, that was when I said that it gave me a rush. It was like, whew, like I felt like I just took like a whole shot of espresso. Like, that was like a sugar rush. But it definitely left my skin very soft. It took the dead skin off. So definitely, if you guys don't want to add oils, definitely use the batch. But for oily, like for oil purposes, I definitely, if I have my own opinion, I like all of them, but my most favorite is the jojoba oil, because it gave me like exactly what I needed. I needed my skin soft after I came out of the shower, not ashy, because when I use the coconut oil, you would think that the coconut oil will give you more leeway, like give you more of a softness, but it didn't. So yeah. And the grapeseed oil, it gave me softness, but it still left me ashy, same as the coconut oil. But the jojoba oil, it left me like rejuvenated. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, don't forget to comment down below which part of the video you liked, and also hit that little bell to be notified post video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, kids. Oh, also follow my social media pages, and the link is down in the description box below. And also go follow my TikTok, Instagram, Twitter, and also hit the little bell to be notified. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil.